Ito ang chicken curry bread roll. So, ito na yung chicken curry natin. What we're gonna do is isi-shred lang natin to.
Okay.
Tapos yung bread na yan, iro-rolling pin.
Oh.
So, isi-stuff natin siya, bilugin. Breadcrumbs and deep fry. So, ito yung ingredients natin. We have flour, eggs, breadcrumbs, ketchup, and cooking oil, and yung white bread natin.
Bango. Nakakagutom na yung amoy, no?
Yeah. Alam mo, gusto ko yung idea na iba-ibang version ng chicken curry. Kasi minsan nakakasawa na parang araw-araw. Di ba kung magluluto ka, tapos everyday kakainin mo
Same,
yun.
oo.
Oh, it's good to have different versions of it. Para naman sulit, at saka hindi nakakaumay.
Yeah, and pag may leftovers ka, di ba? Then, kung ayaw mo ng chicken curry, the next
Yeah.
day, gawin mong bread roll.
Yes, okay.
Oh,
Okay, so,
perfect.
sige Donita, gusto mo i-shred to?
Okay.
Sige, just do the fork here. Ayan.
Okay.
So, shred mo lang yung chicken breast, tapos Jen, just rolling pin mo lang yung bread.
Oh, okay. Gusto ko yan.
Sige.
Gusto ng ating rolling pin.
Eh, yung egg.
Ayan. So, ni-roll natin to na super flat. Para,
Nakakatuwa, no? Tasty lang ang gagamitin.
yeah.
Inexpensive, pero I'm sure maganda ang kalalabasan nito.
Nice. Okay. That's flat enough.
Tapos i-roll na. Ganun, chef?
Yeah, yeah. Okay, that's good.
Kuha tayo ng ating...
Ikaw, chef, anong specialty mo?
Ako, pagmahal.
Pag
Wow! Wow, ah!
Kainin.
Wow!
Hindi, well, most Filipino talaga, but iba-iba eh, iba-iba. Kung ano na yung hilig kong kainin.
Ako
yun
na,
yung gusto kong
natikman mo na,
niluluto talaga.
natikman ko na yung sinugla mo. Is that a specialty of yours?
Yeah, yeah.
Sarap yan, grabe. Oh, di ba? Tasty lang, pero pang fine dining.
Okay, so now, deep fry natin ito.
Yun.
Tapos, kung gusto mo na like, mas crunchy pa, 2 beses nyo siya i-dip.
Oh, tama. Like, just like the fries.
Yan.
French fries.
Okay,
Yay!
so plate na natin to ah.
Ganda.
You wanna plate it?
Sure. Sige, ikaw.
O, sige.
Slice muna natin.
Yeah. Yun, yan. Plate mo na yan. Go for it.
Asado ba, chef?
Okay na yan.
Galing.
Sarap nga mag-plate eh, no?
Diyan ako mahina yung plating.
Okay lang.
Ito kaya niyan. Oo. Yan.
Oh. Oh. There you go.
Ganda.
Okay, so eto.
Ayan.
Ready na tayong tikman tong chicken.
Did you say bready?
Ready.
Bread.
Ready rin siya. So ready na tayong tikman tong chicken curry bread rolls.
Pakapalan na ng mukha.
May
Let's
talaga.
do this. Mmm. Oh, yeah. Sarap, grabe.
Sobrang crunchy niya, tapos sobrang lambot pa sa loob, no?
Very flavorful.
Yeah. Chicken curry bread roll, it's sarap.